To check your transaction history on VMware Cloud, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the platform to find the information you need. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the VMware Cloud website and enter your credentials to log into your account. Ensure you have the correct username and password to access your dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the billing section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Transaction History. In the Billing section, look for an option labeled Transaction History or Payment History. Click on this option to proceed to the detailed transaction records. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You may have the option to filter your transactions by date type or amount. Use these filters to narrow down the specific transactions you wish to review. Step 5. Review and export. Once you have located the desired transactions, you can review the details. If needed, look for an option to export or download the transaction history for your records. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on VMware Cloud. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.